If you're into fixing up old Jeep Wranglers, a popular retrofit is to drop in a HEMI V8. Well, Jeep has actually been doing that for us since 2021. That's when they added a V8 engine into the powertrain mix for the first time since the CJ days. It's called the Rubicon 392. And since it will soon also be history, you better get one while you can. This is the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition. And yes, it's got a HEMI in it. Now, the only way to get this HEMI goodness in a Wrangler is with Rubicon trim and a four-door body. It's called the Final Edition because 2024 is the last year the V8 will be available, or is it? More on that later. This fourth-generation Wrangler got a sizable freshening for the 2024 model year, including a boost in capability, a revised 7-slot grille, stealth antenna integrated into the windshield, 10 new wheel designs, side curtain airbags for the first time, and a revised instrument panel that makes room for a larger 13.2-inch Uconnect touchscreen with available trail guide mapping. Rubicon models went further with beefier axles, plus the ability to stuff in some larger tires and add a worn winch. The Rubicon 392 first arrived for 2021 and features the 6.4-liter version of Chrysler's HEMI V8 with unique tuning for duty here in the Wrangler. Output is 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque through an active dual-mode free-flowing exhaust. It works exclusively with an 8-speed automatic. Final editions start at the Wrangler's most extreme end, with the Xtreme 35 tire package included, along with Selec-Trac dual-range full-time four-wheel drive and Dana 44 axles.